In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable the CAPTCHA on your Shopify store. So by default, Shopify has a CAPTCHA on some pages of every store, and I'm gonna show you how to disable. But before doing that, I want to let you know that there is currently a special offer if you want to try Shopify or open a new online store on Shopify. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description below to get Shopify for free for 3 days, and after that, any paid subscription for just $1 for the first month. So let's see how we can disable the CAPTCHA. To do it, you just need to go to Online Store and then go to Preferences. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see the spam protection. This is helpful to protect your store from spam and abuse, but to be honest, this is not anything common, so you can disable it if you want. Do it at your own risk, and then you just need to save the changes, and that's it. Now you won't have CAPTCHA on these pages. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.